Hello learners, this is Archana, your science teacher. So students, let's start our today's science class from the block Structure and Functions of Roots and Stems. And in today's class, we study our lesson plan number 1, that is types of plants, and lesson plan number 2, that is stems, structure and functions. And the aim of today's topic is to classify plants as herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers, and to explain the structure and function of the stem. So students, we start our lesson plan number 1, that is types of plants. As you see that there are many common plants we see around us. You see that there is a tree in my hand, and in this tree I put some stem. Okay, you see that some stems are long, some are very short. Okay, some are thick stems, some are very thin stems, some are hard, some are rough stems, some have dark green leaves, some have light green leaves. So, and there is a similarity between them also. Okay, as you see that they have, all the stem have leaves and the leaves attached to the stem. Okay, they can be bent easily. आप देखते हो बहुत सारी stems हैं वो easily bent हो जाती हैं, clear. But some stems are very woody, or you can say that if you are compared to this stem, it is hard as compared to this type of stem. Okay. So on the basis of the size, shape and structure of the stem, we classify plants as herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. Okay, you see that there is a picture in your content book also in figure number 1 and in figure number 2. These are herbs, shrub, trees, and these are creepers and climbers. Clear? Now we study one by one the properties or the characteristics of these types of stems. Okay, first of all we study about trees. As you see, trees are very tall plants which have strong and woody stem. The stem of a tree branches out near the top. For example, mango, coconut, apple, teak, pine, they are some examples of different types of trees. And if we are talking about herbs, herbs are short plant which have thin, soft and green stem. आप घर में पालक खाते हो ना, spinach, carrot, cabbage, cauliflower. They are very thin and soft green stem. So they are the examples of herbs. And if you are talking about shrubs, shrubs are not very tall, not very short. वो ना ज़्यादा लंबे होते, ना ही ज़्यादा छोटे होते हैं. Clear? A shrub has a thin but woody stem. उसकी thin stem होती है but वो woody होती है. Which branches out near the base. For example, rose, hibiscus, lemon and gooseberry are some examples of different shrubs. And if we are talking about creepers and climbers have very thin stem. The stems need support. अगर आप creepers को देखते हो, for example, you see that there is a plant, money plant in my hand. And अगर आप देखते हो तो मनी प्लांट क्या किसी के सपोर्ट के बिना आगे बढ़ सकता है? नहीं होता, इसकी ग्रोथ रुक जाती है. इसको किसी न किसी चीज की सपोर्ट चाहिए, चाहे वो वॉल है या फिर वो कोई भी दूसरा सपोर्ट है, ब्रांच आप अगर कोई लगाते हो तो. ठीक है, सो इट इज वेरी थिन स्टेम. क्लियर? सो क्लाइंबर्स एंड क्रीपर्स में द प्लांट which takes support from a wall or tree to grow vertically. अगर vertically grow हो रहा है तो it is a climber. For example, pumpkin and watermelon, they are two examples of creepers. अगर आप मनी प्लांट की बात करते हो, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया, and pea, they are the examples of climbers. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये हॉरिजॉन्टली चलते हैं. अगर आप वर्टिकली कोई चीज ऐसे ग्रो हो रही है, इस शेप इस तरफ से ग्रो हो रही है, इट मीन्स दे आर क्रीपर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पंपकिन. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर मनी प्लांट ग्रो हो रहा है, जैसे मनी प्लांट हमेशा हॉरिजॉन्टली ग्रो होता है, ठीक है, विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ एनी ब्रांच और एनी कोई भी सपोर्ट अगर आप उसके साइड में लगाते हो तो दे आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ क्लाइंबर्स. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइज दैट व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द थिकनेस एंड हाइट ऑफ द प्लांट. सो plants that grow tall like trees, they have a stronger and thicker stem. Thus, the older the tree, the thicker is the stem. पेड़ जितना पुराना होगा वो उतनी ही thick होगी. Understood? So students, this is all about of this topic. Now we do our lesson plan number 2, that is stems, structure and function. Students, a plant mainly has two parts. One is shoot system and the second one is root system. You see in figure number 3 on page number 74 on your content book also. This is the shoot system and this is the root system. Shoot system is above the ground and root system is below the ground. Okay, shoot system bears all other parts of the plant like flowers, fruits, stem, leaves, bud and other also. ठीक है. And the main part of the plant is stem, which provides support to the leaves and exposes them to the sunlight. It also connects different parts of the plants, just like a road network that connect different parts of a city. Clear? Now you see that there is a stem in my hand. You see this part where the leaves, branches, flower, bud, they are connected to the stem. This part, this is known as nodes. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? नोड बोलते हैं. क्लियर? एंड द पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेम बिटवीन टू नोड्स, ये एक नोड हो गया, ये एक नोड हो गया, इन दोनों नोड के बीच में ये जो स्पेस है, दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज इंटरनोड. क्लियर? दिस इज नोड वेयर ऑल द ब्रांचेस, लीव्स, फ्लावर, बड, दे आर अटैच्ड टू द स्टेम. इट इज कॉल्ड नोड एंड द पार्ट बिटवीन टू नोड्स आर नोन एज इंटरनोड. क्लियर? The main function of the stem is to transportation of food. main function क्या होता है stem का? ये ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है किसका? फूड एंड वाटर का. क्लियर? द स्टेम हैज ए होलो ट्यूब. स्टेम की अगर हम मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास से देखते हैं तो इसके बीच में क्या? दिस इज अ होलो ट्यूब विच कैरिंग वाटर एंड फूड. क्लियर? वी ऑल्सो डू सम एक्टिविटी. अगर आप कोई भी व्हाइट फ्लावर लेते हो और उसको किसी भी कलर्ड वाटर में डालते हो, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू सी इन फिगर नंबर 5 ऑल्सो, आपने एक ग्लास लिया और उसके अंदर आपने कलर्ड वाटर डाला है एंड यू पुट अ व्हाइट फ्लावर. आफ्टर सम टाइम यू ऑब्जर्व दैट कि जो व्हाइट फ्लावर था, कलर्ड वाटर का जो कलर है वो कलर किस में चला गया? फ्लावर में. फ्लावर ऑल्सो लुक लाइक पिंक, क्योंकि पिंक वाटर था, या रेडिश वाटर है. फ्लावर ऑल्सो लाइक रेडिश इन कलर. क्लियर? इट मीन्स क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? स्टेम ने ट्रांसपोर्ट किया वाटर टू द फ्रॉम द रूट टू द इस पे फ्लावर. क्लियर? किसके थ्रू गया वो? स्टेम के थ्रू. अंडरस्टूड? So there are two tubes in the stems of plant. One carry water from the roots to the leaves and the other carry food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Understood? The process of transfer of food and water in plant is known as conduction. I repeat. The process of transfer of food and water in plants is called conduction, and the main function of the stem is conduction. It also bears and support leaves, flower and buds and exposes them to the sunlight. Now the question arises that why are stems of some plants like potato, onion and ginger, they are fleshy. So stems of plants like potato, onion and ginger, they are fleshy because they store food, which is very special function of these stem. Clear? कुछ plants की जो stem होती है वो कैसे होती है? Fleshy होती है because they store food. Student, this is all about your topic. I hope you all are understand. Now we do our worksheet. So open your workbook and on page number 45, we do our lesson plan number 1, which is types of plant. So the question number 1, you have to write the features of the stem of each plant. You have to write the features of mint and hibiscus. So mint have a thin, very short green stem, which is very soft. And if you are talking about hibiscus, it is slightly thick, hard, brown stem, near about 3 to 4 feet in height. Okay, and in the question number 2, you have to complete the table by writing the color, texture, size and other features of the stem, which help us to classify plants as herbs, shrub, trees, creepers and climbers, and give 2 examples of each. So here you can write the characteristics of herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers, and you have to give the examples also. So herbs are short, green and thin and soft stem. Shrubs are medium height, hard, brown, slightly thick and rigid. Trees are tall, very thick brown, hard stem and have a bark. And if you are talking about creepers, they have weak, thin, green stem which creep along the ground. And if you are talking about climbers, they are weak, thin, green stem, take support from walls or trees to climb. And the examples of herbs are spinach, mint, rice. Examples of shrubs are rose, lemon and hibiscus. Examples of trees are mango, guava, coconut or any other tree also. You can also write other examples. Creepers, the examples are pumpkin and watermelon. Climbers, bottle gourd, money plant and cucumber are the examples of climbers. And in the last question of this worksheet, you have to write why can a mango tree grow tall whereas a spinach plant remains small. So a mango tree has a strong stem and so it can grow very tall as compared to the spinach plant, which is a herb and has a soft, thin, non-woody stem. Clear? Now turn the page. We do our worksheet number 2, that is stem structure and function. In this, the first question is, you have to identify the node and internode in the diagram of the stem and mark them. So this is the node, and this part from one node to other node, two node, between the two nodes, this part is known as internode. Clear? And the next question, Arjun put a white flower with a short stem in a bottle of colored water. He observed change in the color of flower petals. What function of the stem can you identify from this experiment? So as I told you that this process is known as conduction, in which the stem transfers water from the roots to the other parts of the plant. Clear? And the next part, you have to write 2 other functions of the plant stem. So conduction of food from leaves to the other parts of the plant, and the next function is it holding of the leaves and other plants so that they can get enough sunlight. एक तो कंडक्शन करता है, दूसरा वो सपोर्ट देता है प्लांट्स को. Clear? And the last question, you have to write that the stems of some plants like potato, onion become fleshy and we eat them as vegetables. What special functions do these stems perform for the plant? So the special function these stems perform for the plant are they store food for the plant. Understood? So students, this is all about your topic. I hope you all understand. Thank you and have a nice day.